Hello, everyone. Today, we'll talk about emulating realistic actions. Let's start by running a standard Chrome browser in headless mode and see what score we get on Google reCAPTCHA. Terrible. A score of 0.1 likely indicates bot activity, often leading to blocks or additional checks. Security systems employed by companies like Google, Cloudflare, or PerimeterX analyze user behavior such as mouse movements, typing speed, and navigation patterns to distinguish humans from bots. Realistically emulating human-like actions can bypass sophisticated security checks, enabling smoother automation. Now, let's incorporate realistic user actions and observe their impact on the score. We've relaunched Chrome in headless mode, with page interactions designed to mimic a genuine user. We've implemented algorithms to simulate natural mouse movements, clicks, random pauses, and scrolling patterns. Let's see the new results. 0.3. It is better, but still insufficient. This score suggests bot-like activity rather than human interaction. It's low enough to raise suspicion and may trigger additional verification or restrictions on most websites. Now, let's run the same script using Surfsky to compare results. Our cloud browser has started, executing the previous case. So, why use Surfsky? To bypass bot detection systems effectively, standard tools aren't enough. You need high-quality, real consistent fingerprints and browser spoofing to prevent different kinds of leaks. Our technology for masking digital fingerprints, combined with methods that simulate natural user behavior, ensures authenticity when creating bots, scraping, and crawling. Our script has finished. Let's take a look at what we got here. 0.7. Excellent. This is a pretty high score, which is considered a fairly high level of confidence by Google that the user is human, not a bot. This result was made possible thanks to the advanced techniques implemented in Surfsky. This video clearly shows why Surfsky is considered one of the most effective cloud browsers for automation on the market. Thank you for watching.